Today we will unbox the factory that makes welded wire mesh, which is used in the agricultural and industrial sectors. The wire mesh making process starts with 7 kilometers of binding wire. Next, the binding wire is loaded into the straightener machine. Here, the wires are straightened and cut to the required size. This company makes 49,000 kilometers of wire mesh every year. After that, the straight wire is inserted horizontally into the die of the weld mesh machine. After that, the horizontal wire is spot welded onto the vertical wire. Here, the wire is heated, welded and joined with the spot welding process. Now we see the wire mesh is almost ready. The wire mesh is rolled out for easy transportation. Finally, the welded wire mesh is ready. Galvanized iron poultry crimped mesh is also made here. First, the GI wire is being twisted in the machine. After that, the employees set the wire manually. Finally, the GI poultry crimped mesh is ready. Here, the chain link mesh is also made. Next, the binding wire is being twisted in the machine. Then, the employee cuts the wire and attaches it to the first wire. Finally, this chain link mesh is ready.